Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Synthesia to create course videos with an easy setup. Yeah, if you want to make professional educational content without recording yourself, this method is perfect because, honestly, online courses need clear, polished videos, and Synthesia makes it simple for beginners and pros alike. So first, sign up or log in to your Synthesia account. Click Create Video and choose an AI presenter. You can customize their appearance, voice, and language to match the style of your course, making lessons more engaging. Next, write or paste your lesson scripts. Yep, break your content into small, clear sections, and Synthesia will convert your text into natural-sounding speech automatically, which saves you tons of recording time. After that, select a template and background. Use slides, diagrams, or branded visuals to illustrate your course material clearly, helping students understand concepts quickly. Also, add captions, transitions, and subtle animations. Yeah, these elements make your videos more engaging, easier to follow, and visually appealing, which improves learning outcomes. And yeah, preview your video carefully before finalizing.
A
So
close,
once
angled
everything
shot that
looks
feels
perfect,
personal yet
render and download it, ready to upload to your learning platform or share with students. Finally, experiment with different presenters, voices, and visual layouts. Most of the time, Synthesia allows creators to produce professional, high-quality course videos quickly, efficiently, and without a camera. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.